welcome back to SJ Crochet. My name is Galina and today we're going to learn how to do a single crochet. I came up with this little set of coasters that will teach you how to do a single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet and triple crochet, and you will end up with this little cute set for your drinks. I feel like it's perfect for fall, it's perfect for summer, so let's get to it. Today we're starting with a single crochet. In the previous video you can see I was showing how to do a slip knot. So wrap it around, make a cross, go under, pull it through, and here I go, pulling both ends right here, and you got it, you got a slip knot. So we're going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, I like to hold it right here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. We'll learn how to do chain in the previous video. So from here, for the single crochet, I'm going to turn and go with my hook right here, right in this first loop from the hook. Let's go, let's do it. Go in, wrap around, pull through. You got 2 strands of yarn on your hook, wrap around, pull through 2. Let's do it again. Go into your next stitch right over here, yarn over, pull out, 2 strands, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do it. Go into your chain, wrap around, pull through 2, and same, out, in. For me, it's always a little bit wonky and it takes a little bit of time to make your chain in that first row nice and pretty, but you just practice and it will all come. Don't let it stop you. A little bit more. We have 3 more left here. Pull out, 2 strands, yarn over, pull through. Go through. Go into your chain, yarn over, through the loops and pull through both of loops. Here we go. We're at the end of first row. We're going to chain 1 and turn our work right here where it kind of starts. Let's go right here in the first little letter V. You see those nice and tight here. So we're going to go in and again through. Let's finish our second row really quick. At the beginning, guys, it might feel a little bit different, just crocheting. Your hands, your arms will get used to it. It will get faster and faster, and you just get a hang of it, and you're just going to flow. You get in a zone, and it feels like a meditation. For me, it really feels like a meditation. Let's go through 2. I have 2 more. You can see I'm going through both, through that letter V, through last one, go through both loops, bring it out, and again, chain 1, and turn. And again, it starts over. So right here, going to, no, not yarn over, we're going to go again. The first one from the hook, and around, go in, oh boy, and again, go through that letter V, wrap around, pull through 2, which is going to finish this row. I like single crochet. It's quite tight and firm stitch. It has a, I don't know, kind of pearlish look to me. classic look. I love it. So you practice, you see how it's going for you, and comment below what you like to make from a single crochet, or maybe you have an idea what you want to make from this stitch. Here how it comes. Let's do one more turn around. Chain one, turn, and again, right in first loop from the hook, out and around. So here we're done. Single crochet, nice and easy. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video with half double crochet. Thank you guys for being here. Please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps our channel to grow, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.